the ends, they see the tracksuit, and they think they know the story, but they don't know the code. The first law, the only law, is the one you learn at home. They see the postcode, see the hood, they already wrote the plot. Another headline statistic, another forgotten block. See the trainers on the pavement, the shadow on the wall, and they clutch their bags a little tighter, waiting for the fall. They don't see the late night study, the shift that's just been done. They don't see the younger siblings that you're saving for. Each one, they paint us with a single brush, a narrative of rage, then wonder why the youth feel trapped inside a concrete cage. The beat strips back slightly, the 808s become a low hum, and the caban melody is clearer, but they don't know the code we live by. The law that's understood, it ain't about the street cred, it's about the greater good. It's a lesson whispered to us before we even walked. The reason why my tone is low when an elder starts to talk. The beat comes back in full force, powerful attack, and clear. My mother's eyes are in every stranger that I meet, her tired hands in every soul that's struggling on the street. You ask me why I'm quiet, why I show you my respect, 'cause every woman is a whore, yo. What else would you expect? This ain't for show, this ain't a trend, it's deeper than the bone. The honor that you give the world is the honor raised at home. Yeah, the world's a pressure cooker, it's ready to explode. Got boys my age just trying to find a lighter, heavy load. Temptations on the corner, desperations on the phone. Easy to lose your way when you feel you're all alone. But I hear a voice in chaos, a compass in the noise. Will halumin. My son, don't lose your dignity. It ain't about being weak, it's the strength to bear your name, to build a life with your two hands and play a different game. The beat softens again, the alt wheel and the echoing, 'cause they don't know the code we live by, the law that's understood. It ain't about the postcode, it's about the greater good. It's a lesson whispered to us before we learn to walk. The reason I still hold my tongue and listen when you talk. Everyone is the code, it's the code. The beat comes back in full force, powerful, and clear. 'Cause they don't know the code we live by, the law that's understood. It ain't about the postcode, it's about the greater good. It's a lesson whispered to us before we learn to walk. The reason I still hold my tongue and listen when you talk. The music soars, more powerful than before. Ad-libs with conviction, every way hum. And the roar, unprocessed sound of the caban. The voice is raw, almost spoken word. They say respect is earned, not given. I get it, that's the truth, but the seed of it